Evening everyone. So day two, obviously day one was setting the swimming pool and that up. Day two, I've had a couple of days off because I had a nightmare start, to be honest. For those that don't know, the swimming pool had a puncture, so I couldn't buy anything over Easter because the shops were shut. What else happened? One of the frames was bust on the pool. That's what you get for buying second hand off Facebook. I was told that it was in good condition, there was nothing wrong with it, but obviously once I put water in, tap water that is, discovered it got a hole. So yeah, that set me back a bit, but we're over that now. We've got that fixed. I've got the new frame fixed as well. So we're now on Thursday. It's Thursday evening. Just lost light, so it's just gone dark, and we've made huge progress. So it's all in the video that you're about to see, but the pond has been closed down. The fish have been transferred to the pool. The filter's been transferred and all set up and running. Everything at the minute is as I would expect it. Really happy, really buzzing. Yeah, it's been good progress this afternoon into this evening. Couldn't have done it without my mate Ian. Couldn't have done it without my mate Ian. Absolute legend. He's helped me out no end tonight, so massive thank you to him. Yeah, I'll play the video. Sorry, I'm tired. I'm knackered. I'm just about to have dinner. We'll play the video. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you enjoy the content. And as always, leave me a comment below. Take care, guys, and I'll catch you soon. How's it going, guys? So slow progress at the minute. Discovered can't see it on there now. A small leak in the pond, in the pool. So I've had to wait until the shops were open to get a repair kit on there. I'm going to sit me Nexus on there, pump feed it in temporarily. What else happened? One of these were broke, so I've had to get a friend to repair that and get that put back in. Decommissioned the upflow filter. That's all off now. The heater's off. Nexus, I'm just doing a boil, and then I'm going to drain that and get it moved out into the garden. Obviously the upflow filter that was there was gone. Just got that to move out, but now the actual garage itself is empty. I've also got a Biotech Screenmatic 36 as a temporary filter. Obviously I'm going to have that one on, so I've got the beneficial bacteria going, but I'm also going to put this one on for when I do get the new build built complete. Obviously that filter is going to need to go back in before the fish get transferred across, so hopefully that'll be my temporary thing. Bit of stuff on there to get rid of, but yeah, just do a clean on this, drain this down, and we'll get it moved across. And then I'll get the fish moved across, excuse the state of the garden, into the pool tonight, and all systems go. We've measured up roughly where that chalk line is where the new build, the new wall will come to. So I'm going to take off, obviously from there to there, that'll be off, and that wall will be here instead. Where the door is, that's all going to be bricked up, and where this window and door are, they're going to be taken out. Obviously I'll lose that space there because I'm coming forward, but I'm going to have a 1400 French doors put in there, so that'll look quite nice. French doors are currently there, picked them up at the weekend, and they will sit, like I said, from that line there all the way across to that line there. So yeah, can't wait, I'm really excited now. Obviously as and when I'm doing bits, I'll get the video out and do some recording and put it together. So yeah, until the next one, see you soon. was pretty set. It's got full cells, isn't it? Yeah. While we're doing that, I'll put the cover back on that next.
Yeah. I'll put the watch name back on the top of it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's very loose. Flaky, let's slide him somewhere out the way.
As easy as that.
Yeah. As easy as that. You wish you put the sledgehammer in, aren't you? Yeah, I'll be a bit gentle.
So I've always got one if you want to use it. Welcome back to a garden that is in absolute mess. This little helper has been a legend. So what I'm currently doing is draining the pond water. Oh my god. Draining the pond water from the pond, obviously, into the pool. Makeshift pump. So I've had to convert the Nexus back into pump fed, obviously because I was gravity fed beforehand. I'm hoping I've done it right, everything's tight. Water's going in, and the fish will be in within the next hour, I hope. Easy. And then I'll plumb this in. If I run out of daylight, I think it's about 6 o'clock now, 6:30 time, so if I run out of daylight I'll plumb the heater in tomorrow. It's not as if I'm going to need it tonight. Yeah, God, panic mode, absolute panic mode, but I'm getting there. Fingers crossed there is no leaks in the pool. Start them young. Right, I'll leave it at that, and once I've got the fish over, into the pool, I'll come back to you. There again, guys. So the water's just coming up to the bottom of the window now. So we are still a fair bit to go. I'm going to start netting the fish, get them across to the paddling pool. Everything, I don't want to curse it, but yeah, water's coming in fine. Nexus is filling up lovely. Touch wood of the old loaf, and there's no leaks currently, which is good. Pump's working fine. Obviously just waiting for it to fill up for the water to come through. Where are we? It's not far off it actually. I'll keep recording and we'll witness it together. Looks a bit rude like that, doesn't it? That is my return pipe. Let me just tip your toes just to see. And water will start coming out any second, he says. Little man cleaning up, skimming the top. So the advantage with this paddling pool, you do get an actual skimmer built in with every turn as well, so that's quite good. I'm quite impressed with that for the fish. Right, where's it? I'll tell you what, try and do the valve first. It would bloody help, wouldn't it? There we go. Oh, lucky hell. Water's up. Happy days. Look at that turning turn. Come back to you in a second when the fish will start going in. So here we go. I've caught a couple. Not going to do too much filming because I don't want to stress them out majorly. I just want to get them transferred. But we'll show you a little clip. Got the wife catching them, and then I'm putting them in the sock and transferring them to the pool. That's it. That's fine. Got it.
Yeah.
There's my little.
Gosh.
What's this one, Alfie?
So good.
Sorogoy. Where do we get him from?
Twisted koi.
Twisted koi. He's doing well. He's a beast, this Yamabuki Ogon. Oh.
After you then.
Right, it's just a couple more to catch. We'll come back to you in a minute, guys. Welcome back, everyone. Yeah, exhausted, but I'm over the moon. My mate Ian and one of his mates have helped me. This is all up and running. Losing the light rapidly, so it's only going to be a quick update. It's all coming in. Returns underwater, and all of the fish are in. And they are loving life, I've got to admit it. They're so happy. I'm happy, I'm buzzing. I really am buzzing. Hopefully they settle in well. We'll have a look tomorrow. And unfortunately, in a couple of days, I'm going to have to treat them because of the trick that's on the Goshki still. Yeah, and he's been flashing again today before we moved him, so I'm going to have to treat them whilst they're in here. But the air's on, so I've got the underwater return there. I've got the returns coming back in from the skimmer that's built into the pool, just there. That's the little skimmer device that's there. Yeah, really happy, really happy. Had a great day today. Made some ground. Gaping big hole, mess everywhere. Just as I wanted it. Right, that's another day done. I'll come back to you once I get the camera out again, and show you the next step of progress. As I said in my previous episodes, it's going to be a slow and steady race, but I want it done right, and I want all the things that I wanted before that never actually got done. So obviously that costs time and money, but we'll get there. We will get there. Thank you for watching, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.